Hello, I'm in a penthouse in the Address Residences, Dubai Opera. Let's measure how long will it take for me to walk from one side of the home to the other. So this is a dining room, a living room, a corridor to the other side of the home, another living room, very nice furniture by the way. All rooms and all parts of the home have a separate balcony with amazing views, a bathroom with Burj Khalifa view, another living room. So this is the door of the penthouse, I mean the main door, a long corridor, 12 meters, a bedroom with a separate bathroom. By the way, all bedrooms have separate bathrooms. So corridor is too long. A corridor with access to 2 bedrooms. So this one is a room for changing clothes. This one is a study room and the bathroom. And now we are entering to the master bedroom. So as you observed, I just walk straight without turning. So this means that this home is much bigger. Imagine you live in a different bedroom every day with amazing Burj Khalifa, fountain, and downtown Dubai views. A funny part about real estate videos is that we use some special sentences like, this penthouse is for sale just for 55 million dirhams, as if it is the amount of money that many people spend for coffee every day. I'm joking. This penthouse is worth to spend this money. You will see in other videos.